Hey everyone, it's Sujoy over here from the Chill Hub station. If you are looking to do remote social media jobs, and if you're a beginner, I highly recommend you start with this awesome program. It's basically a training program which firstly guides you to establish yourself to become a remote social media worker, especially if you would be interested for posting ads on Facebook or doing remote chat support jobs. I've been with this program for a couple of months, and to be honest, I found a lot of success. I get a lot of clients. I don't need to hunt for clients. The program itself has a huge database of companies that provides me a lot of simple remote social media tasks which I perform. And it's not a scam. There is a big misconception, like people are saying it's a scam or something like that. It's not a scam. I've been with this program for a couple of months now. Yes, there is a one-time small payment fee for this, but they provide you the right training, and then they get started on. They give you a lot of, remote work, especially if you are into chat support, or you can do simple social media jobs. So I highly recommend you check this out. So I'm going to keep a link of this down in the description below for you to take the 1 minute quiz, and you can find out what kind of remote work is best suited for you. I mean, this is my honest opinion. I have been making averagely around, like 200, 250. Sometimes on good days, I make like $350 per day. So, like, my monthly income is around, I think, around 2,800 to 3,000 US, and I'm living in Southeast Asia. So definitely it's good money. This from my personal experience. This is my honest experience of using this program. So I'm going to keep a link for this down in the description for you to join. So if you're looking for having a bit of my tea, if you're looking for making averagely around $100 to $200 a day for a start, I highly recommend you check it out. So like per hour, they pay around 25 to $35 per hour. Simple remote social media tasks like maybe posting on Facebook, or posting on Instagram, or doing simple chat support work. Yeah, I highly recommend you check it out. I've been finding a lot of success. I've not been cut out for 9 to 5 jobs because I had a lot of problems when I used to work in the corporate environment. When I was in marketing, I worked all over the world, especially in Southeast Asia. So I was trying to look for a way where I could start doing some freelancing. I mean, I tried my hands on Upwork, freelancer.com, and all that, but it's just that it was very difficult for me. I was not getting jobs, remote work, and sorry, just need to put my computer on. Okay, so yeah, so I said that, okay, I want to find a solution. And then I said that, okay, let me have a look into this. And somebody actually suggested me this program. I took the 1 minute quiz, and, I paid a small one-time fee. And, the next thing I knew is that I was getting the right kind of training, and it really helped me to establish myself as a remote worker. I had no knowledge about this. Like I said, I come from a corporate background, so I never had any knowledge about freelancing work or whatever. And then I started getting a lot of remote work jobs from this program. They have a huge database of companies they are tied up with. So I started doing simple remote work tasks like posting on Facebook, even on Instagram. and doing these chat support jobs, and I've been steadily earning averagely around like 200 to sometimes on good days like 350. But the more you work, because like averagely, um, I just like kind of work like 3 hours a day, or but like if you are dedicated in this, you could be easily making at least over $500 per day. So if you're really if you're really looking for remote work, if you're a beginner or if you're an established freelancer, and you have some experience, that's also fine. I highly recommend you check it out because it's really a big game changer. It has definitely transformed my life. I've been able to now travel to many parts of Asia and also, to some parts of Europe. I'm able to better support my family, my kids. So, like, if you're a working mom, or if you're a, if you're if you're unemployed, or if you're a single parent, even if you have a 9 to 5 job, you can do this work, during your flexible hours. So I highly recommend you check it out. So I'll keep the link down in the description below. Yeah, and take that 1 minute quiz, and then get started with it. So with that being said, I wish you all the very best and all the success. Have a great day. Bye bye.